Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reel in very high quality and without watermark easily. Let's jump into the video. For downloading any Instagram Reel in high quality, first you have to open your Instagram. Then you have to select the reel which you want to download. I want to download this reel. So I will click on share button. Here as you can see I have no download option. In many reels you will find a download option in this section and you can directly download Instagram reel in your gallery. If this is not working, you have to click on copy link, then go to the website. I have provided the link in my description. After clicking on this link you will be redirected to this website. You have to paste your Instagram link and click on download button. After this, a download button will appear. Click on the download video and this video will be downloaded in your gallery. As you can see,
This poster I made for the TV show The Deadliest Catch is 7.4 gigabytes.
that's how you download any reel in very high quality without any watermark. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. Consider subscribing the YouTube channel. That's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.